Unraveling on the Nod, English phrases explained. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, on the nod. If you've ever heard someone say they bought something, on the nod, or agreed to something, on the nod, and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. On the nod is an informal phrase that has a couple of different uses. Primarily, it means to agree to something informally or unofficially, often without needing a written agreement or even verbal confirmation. It's as if a simple nod of the head is enough to seal the deal. The origin of on the nod comes from the old practice of nodding one's head to indicate agreement or acknowledgement. This gesture has been a non-verbal cue for consent and understanding for centuries, and the phrase reflects this long-standing tradition. When using on the nod in conversation, it's important to understand the context. For example, she got the job on the nod because her skills were so impressive. We decided on the nod to meet up next week. While on the nod often relates to agreement, it can also refer to buying something on credit. In this context, it means that payment will be made later, as if the nod signifies a promise to pay. I was short on cash, so I bought it on the nod. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, on the nod. Remember, English is full of such idiomatic expressions, and understanding them can really add nuance to your conversations. Until next time, keep learning and happy nodding.